Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all today? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School, Kite Campus. English Literature, Lecture number 11, Pattern of a Character Sketch and Character Sketch of Mona Dadi. Prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. From Broadway Reader, Story, Mona Dadi's London Trip, page number 27. Here you have to read the story very well. Kindly take out your books and read the story very well and try to understand its meanings. Pattern of a character sketch. Here I am going to tell you that how you have to write a character sketch. First of all, you have to do the grammatical structure. We have to do the character sketch in past indefinite tense and past continuous tense. Basic traits of a character. At number 1, you have to do the introduction. Number 2, ruled over her family. Number 3, made final decision. Number 4, she was an autocratic. Then, didn't like rude behavior. Determined to implement her decision. And at last, so to sum up, we can say that Mona Dadi was an optimistic lady. Creative writing of a character sketch. Write the character sketch of Mona Dadi. Here I am going to tell you a detailed thing about Mona Dadi's character. Mona Dadi was the leading character of this story. She was the lady of ever-changing age like 60, 68 or 70. She always wore white saris and walked barefoot. She ruled over her docile family of 3 sons and their wives. She made final decision to go to London to visit her eldest son. She was an autocratic, as none can change her decisions. She was not allowing anyone to ask her any question. She doesn't like rude behavior. She was determined to implement her decision, and she succeeded to do it after making some possible preparations. To sum up, we can say that Mona Dadi is harsh and optimistic lady. Students, this story is very interesting. Read the full story and try to understand what is in the story. Learn the character sketch of Mona Dadi by heart. Take good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.